Good morning, student. In last lesson, we have read about the story A Greedy Fat Old Man One, where we have read about the fat man and the thin little boy. And in the second part of the story, we have read about the same greedy fat old man and the small dog. Now we will continue the story further. Before that, let me ask you some question. Have you seen a squirrel in tree in your backside or in anywhere? You might have seen squirrel. See here the picture of a squirrel in your book, and here also see a squirrel. Okay. The same greedy fat old man, after eating the small dog, walked along the path and he met a squirrel on the way. What happened then? Let us read the story. After eating the dog, the man walked and walked. The man walked and walked till he met a little squirrel. He met a little squirrel. The little squirrel asked the old man, old man, what makes you so fat? The old man said, I have taken a very heavy breakfast. In my breakfast, I eat 2 mugs of tea, 2 liters of milk, 3 tins of biscuit, 5 big pieces of cakes. Then I ate a little boy and a small dog. I'll also eat you up if I can catch you. But you cannot catch me, old man, said the active, agile little squirrel. Then the squirrel jumped up the tree. The old man also climbed up the tree. Little squirrel jumped up to the main branch of the tree. The old man also climbed to the main branch of this tree. Next, the little squirrel jumped to a thin branch. The old man also climbed up to that thin branch. But first, the small branch broke and the old man fell on the ground. His big belly burst out. The little boy, the little dog, the little boy and the little dog came out from his belly, and the squirrel was also, but because he was never in, he was on the tree. Now let me repeat the story once again. Please listen me carefully. After eating the dog, the man walked till he met a little squirrel. The little squirrel asked the old man, what makes you so fat? The old man said, I have taken very heavy breakfast. In my breakfast, I took 2 mugs of tea and 2 liters of milk, 3 tins of biscuits and 5 big pieces of cakes. Then I ate a little boy and a small dog. I'll also eat you up if I can catch you. But you cannot catch me, old man, said the active, agile little squirrel. Then the squirrel jumped up the tree. The old man also climbed up the tree. The little squirrel jumped up the main branch of the tree. The old man also climbed up the main branch of the tree. Next, the little squirrel jumped to a thin branch. The old man also climbed up to the thin branch. But first, the small branch broke and the old man fell on the ground. His big belly burst out. The little boy came out, the little dog came out, and the squirrel was also. But because he was never ever in. Okay, student. Now let us comprehend the story. You might have understood some part of the story. Let me discuss in detail with you. You know the old fat greedy man earlier have a conversation with the little boy. He adopted the little boy. Then he had a conversation with the dog, and he also adopted the dog along with breakfast. The Buddha, Rupana Lokati, Agro Podija, Protham Bhaga Podilla, Choto Balago Sento Kothala, and Sri Korna breakfast at Kaila Kaigi, says the Balakoti Kaila, Tapare, Gopara Ditya Bhaga, Buddha Petilla, Buddha Choto Kukuroku, and Nakumadho, Kaidila, Eves Gopara, Tiva, and Wait Vitya Bhaga, Kukuroku Kaisala Pare, the old man walk and walk. And this time he met a squirrel. There is a squirrel by Buddhi Musabu, Vedila. And the same question asked by the squirrel as the little thin boy and the small dog. What are the questions the little thin boy and the small dog asked the old man? That old man, what makes you so fat? The old man said the little squirrel, I have taken very heavy breakfast. H-E-A-V-Y. Do you know what is the meaning of heavy? Heavy means which is not light. The opposite of heavy is light. Suppose this is a piece of chalk. This is very light. But when you take a piece of big stone, it is very heavy. The stone is heavy, but the piece of chalk is light. So he has taken very heavy breakfast. Means so much thing. Both good breakfast. What he had taken in his breakfast? He taken 2 mugs of tea, 2 liters of milk, 3 tins of biscuit, and 5 big pieces of candy. Along with these, he had also taken a little boy and a small dog. Along with this in breakfast, he also adopt a little boy, and a small dog. So much thing he had done. You know, the old man was a greedy man. Old man was a greedy one. He wanted to take everything to his belly. So now the old man also say, I will also eat you up if I can catch you. He said to the squirrel, I will also eat you up. But the squirrel is very active. He also agile. Agile means it's very smart. A-G-I-L-E means smart and quick. We may say quick also. He's very quick. So he is active also. Active. What do you mean by active? In class we see some boys are very active. They do everything without any hesitation. But some boys are very lazy. So active means do everything very quickly. जे serious काम कर दे तब हम active को जे अन्य मनुष्य का रहने की अड़सा हुए नहीं तब हम active को the little squirrel was active and agile. How was the little squirrel? The little squirrel was active and agile. Then the squirrel, what did the squirrel do? He jumped up the tree. The old man also climbed the tree. Then the little squirrel jumped to the main branch of the tree. Suppose this is a tree. This is the main branch of the tree. So the old man also jumped the tree. Then the squirrel did a very tricky thing. He jumped to a thin branch. And the old man, very full, he also climbed to that thin branch. So what will happen? If a fat man jump to a thin branch, the thin branch, small branch, grow. The small branch grow, and there is a sound, thrash. There is a sound produced, thrash. So what happened to the old man? The fat old man fell down, and his big belly brushed out. What do you mean by brush? In the Diwali, we see that the firecracker brush. Okay, like that. He has so many things in your belly, and when he fell down, the belly brushed out. And what happened when his belly brushed out? Earlier he had taken a small little boy. He had also taken a small dog. So all these two things came out from his belly. The small boy and the small dog, the little boy and small dog came out from his belly. Okay. Now students, let me ask you some question. You have read in this story. Whom did the old man met in this story, in this part of the series? Whom did he meet? So the old man met with a little squirrel. Once again, why did the old man fell down? The old man fell down because he climbed to a thin branch. He climbed to a thin branch, not a big branch, a thin branch. So he fell down. Who come out from the belly of this fat man? Who come out? A thin little boy and a small dog came out from the belly of the boy. In your book, the picture is there that see, from the belly, the boy is coming out and a small dog is also coming out. Now, look your book, page 21. And here, to write the answer of the question given in your book, page 21 to 22, just write all those things and try to understand the story, read the story once or twice or thrice in your home and enjoy safe stay at home. Thank you.